Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So in this video, now we will try to see the how we can handle this HTTP errors, the remaining part. So here we have created this handle error method, right? Now let's try to check the status for this one. So now how can we check the status? So when we are having some, I'm keeping this one as an invalid. Let's try to see whether we can able to get the issue or not. Now if you try to see here, if I click on this one, so here we got an HTTP status. So here you'll be able to see the status code, we got it as an error 404. So when we have a network issue, so let's try to check that network issue when we can able to get it or not. Yeah, here we can able to, I'm trying to check it. So let me check. So here what I will try to do it is, so this is our code, right? I will try to block this request domain. Okay, so this domain I am blocking it. Let's try to see whether we can able to get it or not. Now what is the type of status code we'll get it? Let's try to see. So here this is our code. Now let's see here, fetch data. When I try to click on this one, so we are getting the status code as 0. So that means the network connection is not available. So in this scenario, how we can handle the situation? Let's try to see. Now here in this handle error, so here we are able to get this status code, right? Now here I will try to write here, if error dot status is equal to 0. If it is a 0 means, that means we are having an internet issue or a network issue. So here I can keep that this dot error message is equal to, I can use network error, please check your internet connection. Please check your internet connection. Okay, so this is the main thing. So whenever you are having a network connection issue or otherwise, so when you are getting other than the status code 0 means, then that means you are getting an something backend error message. So here I can do this dot error message. So here I can use backend return code. So that return code is nothing but, so here what I can do it is, I can use this one template return, and here I can use this one, and here I will use status code. So dollar of error dot status, and here if you want to show the message means, so here you can show dollar of error dot message. Okay, that's it. So now if you try to see the output for this one, let's try to click on this fetch message. So here we should be able to see the message. So cannot reset, okay, error message cannot set properties and all those things it is saying. So let's try to set this error message. Okay, so this dot error message and this dot error message is there, so fine. And if you want, you can also console.log error. Let's try to see it, and let's see this output for this one. Error message, this dot error message is there, and here we are using it, fine, correct. And if I try to refresh this page, okay, and here I am trying to click on this one, cannot set properties of undefined error message. Why? 3812, this dot error message is equal to, cannot set properties of undefined. I don't know why it is coming this issue. 3812, let me check once. Okay, fine. So here we are sending this one, right? So what we need to do here, we need to apply dot bind of this, or otherwise we can use something directly also. So this one is, this all concepts I have explained you in our code. So here we are able to get the message. So an error occurred, please try again later. So we are not showing the error message here, or otherwise if you want to show like this means, so here you can use it something like this one, and we know that we will get an error, or we'll keep it like this only, dot bind of this we have kept it, right? So fine. So now I want to show this error message. So here we understood about this all the concept. So I want to show this error message. What do I do in the template? Let's try to show this error message in the template. And for this one, what I will do here, this is the thing, and here I will write the div, and here ngIf, if I get this error message, then I will try to show this error message. That's it. And I will keep a class is equal to error, and I will keep it red color, class is equal to error, and I will keep that one in, don't save. Let's go to the CSS file which we have written here, yeah, and in this one I will keep dot error, and here I will keep color of red. That's it. Now let's see whether we can able to see that error message or not. If I try to click on this fetch data, So here we are able to see that network error, please check your internet connection. So here we are able to see network error, please check your internet connection. So now we are able to finish this error handler component. Now for example, let's say that if you want to implement a scenario in such a way that you need to retry only on specific some conditions or something like that. So then what you will try to do? So for example, let's try to remove this one from the unblock jsonplaceholder.com. So I am unblocking this one. So fine, whenever I try to fetch the data, now I should be able to show some backend error. See, backend error written 404, HTTP response failure 404, okay. So now if I want to, if I am getting 404 error or 500 error, means if I want to retry some more time, means what can I do? So let's try to show you about that one. So here, let's go into this error component.ts file. So for this one, so what we can do it is, so in that scenario, so you can use the retry concept. So you can enhance this retry concept. Where is this retry concept? Yeah. So here you can use the retry concept in such a way that I can elaborate this one to count 3 times. I need to count. I need to do it, and I will need to keep a delay. Okay. So here you will be getting a delay option, and this delay will take a function that is nothing but error and also the retry count. So how many times you are trying to get it, and this receives 2 arguments, retry count. And here in this one, so if you are having if not of, okay, if not of, then 500 comma 503 or anything. So here, so if you don't have like this t things, means includes in the error dot status, so here, so what you will try to, you need to throw error. So you will throw the error directly. Okay. And for example, let's say that here retry attempt. So now here we are trying to do the retry attempt. So here I can show something like retry attempt. I am showing the retry attempt, and here I can use the retry count. Okay. So this is the retry count which I am trying to show. And here we need to return the timer. So how much for every, how much time for every delay it needs to call. So I can keep it as 1000. That's it. So that's it. So this is the thing. So now it will try to do the 3 times and delay with 1000 thing. And if you are not getting 500 or 503 errors other than this one, means it will just throw the error, and otherwise it will return the timer. So after some times it will call again the thing. Now if you try to see the output for this one, so here if you try to see here in this one in the network call, I will click on the fetch data. So we got the 404 request, only one time it has been called. For example, let's say that I will include that 404 also here. Let's see that whether it can able to do the 4 times request or not. So now if I try to click on this fetch data, I clicked on this fetch data. So first time it has been called, second time called. So 3 times it will try to check it, and afterwards it will try to show the error. So 3 times it has been tried. So this is how you will be making the retry thing also. In this way you will be implementing this retry thing. So now it will try to make the 3 times error, and for every after 1 millisecond it will try to make the request. If you are getting error other than 500, 503, 404 means, then it will throw the error. If you are getting these things, means it will try to make an error count. So this is how you will be implementing the error handling cases in the HTTP. So hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.